Hi, I'm Greg from Sanifos SFA. I'd like to introduce an exciting new product, the Sanifos 610. The Sanifos 610 is a fully pre-packaged in-ground pump station. It comes complete with a 1500 watt cutter pump and is ideal for single-use dwelling with 1 or 2 occupants. It also comes with a high-level alarm and is made from high-density polyethylene, which is engineered to the Australian standards AS 1546. The Sanifos 610 also has a 500 kilo rated lid, which is ideal for non-trafficable situations. So the unit's positioned in the backyard, this is fine. So let's talk about internals. As mentioned, the unit comes fully pre-assembled with hydraulic assembly with ball valve, non-return valve, pipe work, stainless steel lifting chain, 1500 watt cutter pump and high level alarm. And the unit comes with the Saniflow full 2-year on-site warranty. All the units in the Sanifos range come with a flexible drilling zone. Now this allows you flexibility for your invert levels and the depth of the tank in the ground. For any other information on the Sanifos 610, please go to the website. You can download product guide, instruction files, or you can also see the rest of the Sanifos range.